So now what we will do, right, for question 6, we will draw before and after. So we will start with the after first, because the question says, after all the transfer, there was then an equal number of sweets in all 3 boxes. So if we draw after, very easy to draw. It will be just 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you know that the total will be, you all know what is the total? Start with 900. Then after that, all the transfers is done. You know, you pass A pass to B, B pass to C, C pass to A. So what can you say? The total will still be the same, correct? Because you transfer within yourself, within the 3 boxes. So the total must be 900. Am I right? Okay. So now we work backwards. We work backwards and then we see. So the easiest to find is A, B, or C. I think the easiest to find will be, which one can we find first? What do you all think? So now, guys, we can find out that if this is 900, right? Okay, if this is 900, so basically each one will be 900 divided by 3. It will be 300. So after everything, right, A will have 300, B will have 300, C will also have 300. This part, okay? Okay, so now maybe Xavier said we do C first. Okay, so what C has, right, will be this. Okay, C will be given an additional, C is given an additional 5 from B, right? And then we divide this into how many parts? We will divide this into 3 parts. Why 3 parts? 1 part, 2 parts, and 3 parts. This part, you're clear? Then after that, he will give this additional, this 1/3 to A. You all see this? So you see, so can you see that 2 units is 300. This is what C has at the end. Okay, so what we do, right, for C will be this. Okay, for C, so it will be 2 units equals to 300. Then 1 unit will be 300 divided by 2, 150. And then 3 units, it will be 150 times 3. That will give us 450. Okay, then we have to remove the 5 sweets that was transferred from B to C, right? Okay, so for C, it will be just 450 minus 5 equals to 445. Okay, guys, so C, you all understand? Okay, guys, you see, B. 5 sweets were transferred out from B, right? So now we have to return B the 5 sweets, correct? Okay, so B after has this amount, which is 2 units, so we must return back the 5 sweets. that was transferred from B to C. Alright. Then after that, A also transferred 18 sweets to B, right? So now we must return A the 18 sweets. So for B, right, I must minus off the 18. Okay. I repeat again, guys. At the end, right, B has this amount, which is 2 units. Can you see 2 units? Then we have to return back the 5 sweets. Okay, we put back 5 sweets because 5 sweets were transferred out from B. So we will replace it. Then after that, the 18 sweets that was given by A, we also return it. You all get it? So we add in 5, we must minus away 18. So this is the amount. Okay, this is the amount that B has at the beginning. So basically it will be just 2 units plus 5, then we minus away 18. You understand? Okay, so now we do B. Okay, for B, it will be just 2 units is equal to 300. So 300 plus 5 minus 18. So the answer will be 200 plus 5. Oh, sorry. It's 300 plus 5 minus 18. Okay, so the answer is 287. Okay, so now we have for B. A. So now for A, right? Okay, what do we need to do is this. A gave away how many sweets? A gave away 18 sweets, right? So now we have to give back to A. So A, we must plus back 18 sweets. This part understand? Then after that, C gave A 1/3, right? Which is 1 unit, right? C gave A 1/3. Can see? Which is 1 unit. So after we add 18 to A, right, we must deduct from it 1 unit. You understand? Which is 1/3 of C. Really understand? I repeat again. C has got 3 units, right? And then C gave 1, 2, 3. And C gave 1 unit, 1/3 to A. So now we must take it back from A. Okay, so for A, right, we will give it back the 18 that was transferred to B, and then we have to take away the 1 unit. Okay, we have to take away the 1 unit that was transferred from C. So 1 unit, which is 150. This part clear? Okay, so now we do for C. Sorry, we do for A. So A will be very simple. You start with 300, right? So it will be 300. Take away, plus back the 18. You have 318. Then after that, 318, you must take away the 1 unit, which is 150. Then you are left with 168. Okay, 2/5 of the competitors were boys. So how many units boys, how many units girls? So boy, how many units? Boys 5 units. Sure or not? 2/5 of the competitors were boys. So the boy draw how many units? 2 units, correct or not? Okay, then the girls draw how many units? If 2/5 were boys, then the girls? What is the fraction that are girls? Bring it. Girls draw how many units? Two out of 5 are boys, right? Then how many units are girls? Three units lah. Bring it. Okay. So 2 out of 5 total 5 units, right? 2 units, 2 out of 5 are boys. Then the remaining must be girls, right? Understand? So 2 units boys, 3 units girls. Following? Can ah? Okay, so the girls we draw 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, like that, okay? Understand so far? Okay, so now 1/3 of the boys were disqualified. Okay, 1/3 of the boys were disqualified. Okay guys, this one actually quite simple. There's a few ways that you can do it lah. If there were 135 competitors at first, so this one is 135, right? 135. So at the beginning, how many boys and how many girls are there? Can find or not? 5 units equals to 135. 1 unit 135 divided by 5, what do you get? 27. Very good. So how many boys are there? At first, boys will be 2 units, right? 54. How many girls were there at first? 3 units. 3 times 27 equals to 3 times 27 equals to 81. Can? Okay, then it says, guys, it says 1/3 of the boys were disqualified. Then 1/3 disqualified, how much left? Okay guys, 1/3 disqualified, that means you have 1 minus 1/3, you have 2 over 3 of the boys left. Am I right? 2/3 of the boys is equal to how many? So 2/3 multiplied by 54. Okay, you will have how much? This one cancel, 1. 54 divided by 3, you have 18. So you have 36 boys left. This part understand? So how many more girls than boys left? 81. 81 girls compared to 36 boys. You have 45 more girls than boys. This represents the total amount of lemon, total number of lemon Mrs. Walker has. And Mr. Walker put half of the lemon. So I divide into 2 and divide equally into 5 bags. Okay, so this one, basically it will be 5 bags. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the lemons are divided into 5 bags. Like that, okay? Then the other half she divide into 6 containers. Okay guys, don't copy first, later I give you all time to copy. Just understand first. 6 containers. Okay guys, the problem here is this. This one bag unit, right, is different from this one container unit. This one container unit is smaller, right? Because it's the same one big unit. This one divided by 5. This one is divided by 6. So the problem here is that the unit size is different. Y'all get it? If this 5 big units here is equal to the same amount of these 6 smaller units, can we divide them? Okay, can we divide them such that, okay, so we need to divide them such that the unit size is the same. Okay, so guys, 5 and 6. 5 and 6, what is the lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple of 5 and 6 equals to 30, correct? 30. So basically I have to divide this into 30 units. This one I have to divide into 30 units. This one I can also divide into 30 units. Then the unit size will be the same. Am I right? Okay. So I need to divide this into 30 units on the left and 30 units on the right. This part clear? So this one, one bag will be equal to how many units now? So 30 units divided by 5, it will be, each one is 6 units. Then this one, 30 units on the right side, divide by 6, each unit will be 5. Excellent. Okay, so now can you all see? Total the lemons equals to 60 units. Then one bag is 6 units. One container is 5 units. Can see? Okay, now we can do. Okay, now we look at the question. It says there are 63 lemons in one bag and 3 containers altogether. One bag is 6 units, right? And 3 container is how many units? Okay, 3 containers equals to 5 units times 3, 15 units, right? Can see? Okay, Shalin, there. So one bag plus 3 container equals to how many units? 6 units plus 15. So will be 21 units. You all see? So 21 units is equal to how many lemons? 21 units is equal to how many lemons? Shani? $63 lemons. Very good. Can you all see it? Because it's the number of lemons in one bag and 3 containers. So 21 units is equal to 63 lemons. 1 unit is equal to 63 divided by 21. That will be 3 lemons. And guys, we want to find the total number of lemons Mrs. Walker have, right? Which is how many units? Georgia, how many units are we finding? The total, which is $60. Okay, very good. So we want to find 60 units. 60 units will be 60 times 3 equals to 180.